Hi folks, how are you all doing today? Today on the agenda is Glen Douglas. See how steep this hill is? So Glen Douglas, what is that famous for? Well, up here we have a UK munitions storage area for the MOD, which used to be for NATO, but seemingly it's just for the UK now. So obviously we'll need to be very careful here. Tight one that. Lot of rubbish in the middle of this road. Need to stay off that while we're under these trees anyway. Pretty steep hill. Don't know if you can notice that on the GoPro. Road's a mess here with car traffic. Well, that must be the MOD munitions warehouse, or what you want to call it. There's actually, if you look on Google Maps, there's actually a train track goes through here as well. Now whether that's just moving stuff from A to B in the site, or whether a train can actually travel the normal networks. I would imagine it would. If you need to take munitions to any part of the UK, surely a train would be the best for it. However, for all I know, if anybody that's watching this does know, put it in the comments. I'd be quite interested to hear about it. I'll definitely not stop around this area, that's for sure. Now this glen looks a lot more enclosed than the one I done before, Glen Douglas. And again, the roads are actually pretty good considering, you know, it's a wee silly wee road. What is that up ahead? Big coo. No, it's a sheep. Get off the road. Come on, stupid. Pick a spot. Pick a spot. That'll do it. So I don't really know much about Glen Douglas other than the munitions store. I don't think it really has that much history, but then again, might be wrong. Pop it in the comments if you know better than me, which isn't hard to be honest. I was going to say River Douglas, but I think it's actually called Douglas Water, which is basically River Douglas. Again, I didn't check to see how long this glen is. I don't think it's that long, to be honest. Maybe 6-8 miles. Round about that. Right, on the way back down again, so it's quite a short glen, nothing major. And there is Loch Lomond. These wee roads out in and out of the glens are mad. Really steep and curvy. Well, that's it folks, that is Glen Douglas. Wee short glen, but quite nice. Pity it's spoiled by the MOD stuff, but it's just the way it is.